This is camera and hop, pop at the egg, tiny pop at the egg, tiny a baby huggy kitty bear. Started at the food. Monday is one apple. Papa's still hungry. Monday is two pears. Papa's still hungry.
Monday pa din? What day is that na?
Tuesday is three crumbs. Papa's still hungry. Friday is four strawberries. Papa's still hungry.
Hungry pa din?
Monday is five oranges. Papa's still hungry. Friday is
Friday? What day is that?
Saturday.
Saturday. He ate? What did he eat?
Cake. One ice cream, one pickle, one slice cheese, one slice salami, one pop, one slice cheese, one slice salami, one pop,
Cherry?
pie, one shot cake, one cupcake, one shot cake, one cupcake, and one slice of watermelon.
Watermelon.
That, and then stomach cake.
Oh, stomach ache. And then?
And then, a sardine and caterpillar and nice keys. That is much better.
Oh, much better na. Okay.
And then I saw a more little with caterpillar is a little caterpillar is a big fat caterpillar. Small cats for the coon like us. Take this up the 2 weeks. And we hold the coon, push right at them, boom. It's a good for butterfly.
The end? The end na? Nice story, love. Thank you.